Hey everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about hype coins or shitcoin or Ponzi schemes. So let's talk about them. And first I want to declare you guys what are these basically and how they work, and then I'm going to tell you why they are working and what is the relationship between these marketing and advertising between the two section. So let's start with what is called hype coins. So these are a cryptocurrency which are basically created by someone. You don't know who, you don't know why. A lot of them are gets some meanings. They make a site like to change the world with I don't fucking know, some crazy shit like the Safe Moon, Dogecoin. Okay, but for example, the Dogecoin is just basically a meme, so it's not created because it has a meaning like Ethereum or Bitcoin or anything like that. It's just created to be created, basically. Okay, so this hype coin, I call them shitcoins because they are basically just a really low or priced coin which you are going to be pumping up and selling when you feel right. So basically they are coins that has something behind them. So somebody creates it and then pumps it up in the social media sites. So basically how you can create this, it's basically pretty easy. Copy some other type of coins list or the code behind them and create a coin, name something funny or name something serious, create a serious mission for them, and you good to go. Okay, this is the creation basically, and what the mechanic behind them. So the mechanic is, I said it before, so it's a really low cost, so like a 1000% of a penny, but if you hold 50% of it and it goes up to 1 penny, you made from $100 to $100,000. So yeah, this is why they are so powerful nowadays, and you don't know who holds 50% of it, and you don't know who get $100,000 basically because of that pump. Okay, and how you can achieve that pump? You can achieve that pump with social media and social media only. And one of the most powerful social media sites nowadays for this, because there are a lot of shit going around in this social media platform, and this is TikTok. So TikTok, a social media platform where you can say anything and anyone will believe you. Basically, not anyone who hasn't got a brain. Any brain cells. I'm sorry, guys. You hear a lot of shit on TikTok because yeah, TikTok is censored, but not in a informational way. It's censored because of the asses and the tits and the videos that are get uploaded, but it's usually not censored because of the bad information that it gives you. I hopped in a few rides before on TikTok rides. I don't know why, but right now I know. So the thing is, you create this crypto, you get like 3 or 4 these kind of TikTok influencers who talk about crypto, pay them, I don't know, $1,000 or pay them in this crypto. You said they get 25%. Okay, that's a lot. They get 10% of it. So let's say worth like $1,000 right now. So much less. I don't know. It's okay. It's about the supply. So it's different if the supply is bigger. Oh, it doesn't matter. The thing is, you give them money and you give them some percentage of your crypto. And the thing is, they make a video where they say that this is the next Bitcoin, this is the next Ethereum, this will blow up. Ooh, the mission is crazy behind it. It will save the world. Blah blah blah. And you know, it's not gonna happen. This is the next safe move. And yeah, maybe it will be the next safe move because of them. Because they made a video hyping up. And this is just only works on TikTok and maybe IG Reels. To be honest, I never been in IG Reels. I can get my hands on it. I tried, I can get my hands on it. But the thing is, they made a video about it pumping up. They pump up like 1000% or more these cryptos, and when they pump it up, they sell. Everybody sells at the point when they are at 1000% gain or more. They sell. This is called a Ponzi scheme back in the days. However, they know who did the Ponzi schemes, or at least they can figure it out. Right now, they can't really figure it out. If you are smart enough and hold your money in the blockchain and hold your money in other cryptos, they're never going to figure out who did this Ponzi scheme. So, pump and dump. Because they pump it up, because they made a video, 10 million people saw it, 1,000 buy it with $1,000, that's going to be a really big market cap. That's going to bump it up the crypto as much as it's possible, a lot actually, and you will end up fucking up your money. If you put it late. If you are the influencer, yeah, it's good for you. Yeah, and they pump it up and they sell. So, this is what I wanted to talk about, the power of TikTok. I'm going to make a separate video after this about TikTok because it's really interesting. But if you put out video on TikTok, a lot of people will see it, and you don't have a niche target. You don't have good audience reach. So a lot of people won't see your video who is following you because they are scrolling to the For You page, and the For You page is not always throwing your video in. They try to throw newer videos, so they usually not see your stuff. Sometimes they do because you get a notification, but other times not always. So this is the thing about it. However, if you can blow up a few of these shitcoin hype up videos, then you will get a really good coin. Not a really good coin, but really good gains. So how you can make money of it? Get in early. There are websites that are scanning the social media sites for these shit coins. I found I had a few, but they are not the best. So you have to scan for more. But you can make a really good money of it. But this is just Ponzi scheme. So don't get too discouraged if you lose money. Put in money in these coins which you allow to lose. So 100,000 if you can lose that much, 10,000 if you have enough, then you can lose them. You can make a lot of them or lose them. This is basically gambling with these coins. Yeah, so you can create one, do it. I don't know how ethical it is. You have to decide it for yourself. It is basically it's easy, it's ethical in a way. It's just a business model, and yeah, you can do it pretty easy. Just use the power of TikTok, and this is what I'm going to talk in my next video, the power of TikTok. Okay guys, I wanted to say something more with these shitcoins, because the thing is, not all these low cost coins are bad. There are a lot of things that, for example, I know a coin that is ocean or something like that, that basically wants to save the ocean with pollution, the you know, grabbing out the garbage from the ocean. Sorry for my English, but you know what I mean. There are a lot of really good low-cost coins that you can invest in. However, the thing is that the coin bull run is going to be over soon, and maybe you shouldn't be investing right now too much on this kind of. Maybe you should look for a long-term investment, or this is the time to gamble. You have to decide that for yourself. I can't decide for you. Yeah, I think gambling with this is risky, but better than, not better, but maybe more planned out than with a sport game, in my opinion, because the sport game can be hacked as well as your crypto game in this. So you have to decide it for yourself. And I really appreciate you watched this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and comment down below shitcoin and let's start a conversation. And I really want to know guys' opinion of this shitcoins and this shitcoin gamble, what is going around, because yeah, it's kind of mind-blowing that people are making millions of things that they can't trace them back into them, and more people get millionaire every day from this bull run. Yeah, a lot of people will lose their gains, lose their money, but yeah, that's going to be the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below shitcoin, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye guys. Awesome.